The 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT is not just a motorcycle, it's a mobile luxury suite on two wheels. Honda has, once again, redefined the standard for long-distance touring with the latest Goldwing Grand Comfort Touring GCT Edition. This flagship model brings together refined engineering, top-tier technology, and unparalleled comfort in a package that feels more like a symphony of innovation than a traditional touring bike. At first glance, the 2026 Goldwing GCT maintains the iconic muscular silhouette and aerodynamic flow that fans of the brand have come to admire. However, subtle design tweaks across the front fascia, LED lighting, and body contours make it appear more aggressive and futuristic. The LED headlights are sharper, while the air vents have been redesigned for better cooling and aerodynamics. Honda offers the GCT in a new range of colors, including midnight sapphire blue, pearl arctic white, and crimson metallic red, each year layered with a deep gloss finish that enhances the bike's premium feel. Underneath the sculpted bodywork lies Honda's proven 1833cc flat-six engine, producing around 125 horsepower and 130 lb-ft of torque. Smooth and silky, this engine delivers abundant power with absolutely no strain. Whether you're climbing a steep mountain pass or cruising effortlessly on the interstate, the Goldwing GCT responds with grace and power. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or Honda's innovative 7-speed dual-clutch transmission DCT, now optimized for even smoother shifts and better fuel economy. The new DCT also features a smarter downshifting algorithm, learning the rider's style over time to make gear changes feel more intuitive. Combined with throttle-by-wire and multiple riding modes, Tour, Sport, Econ, and Rain, the Goldwing GCT adapts to your journey's mood, whether it's spirited canyon carving or relaxed coastal cruising. One of the standout features of the 2026 Goldwing GCT is its upgraded suspension. The front end retains the unique double wishbone setup, which isolates steering input from suspension movement, reducing fatigue on long rides. However, Honda has improved the rear suspension with a new electronically adjustable system that adjusts damping and preload in real time based on road conditions and load weight. It creates a magic carpet ride quality that makes long-distance travel smoother than ever. Comfort is where the Goldwing GCT truly earns its stripes. The rider and passenger seats are wider, more contoured, and now feature multi-zone heating and cooling. Both seats are covered in a premium weather-resistant Alcantara material, giving a plush upscale feel. Armrests for the passenger are slightly extended, and the redesigned backrest offers better lumbar support. The 2026 model also introduces a larger and more intuitive 10.5-inch TFT infotainment display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with Bluetooth 5.3 and a new wireless charging pad. Navigation is easier to access with voice commands, and the audio system, now equipped with 8 speakers, has been refined for better clarity even at highway speeds. Honda's new adaptive sound control automatically adjusts volume and tone based on speed and ambient noise. Storage remains generous, with the rear trunk expanded by 5 liters and the side panniers now offering more vertical space. The GCT also features a new keyless entry system with proximity unlocking, along with a soft close mechanism for the panniers and trunk. USB-C ports are included in both the front dash and rear passenger area, ensuring every device stays charged on the road. For 2026, Honda has also focused heavily on safety and rider assistance. The Goldwing GCT includes a suite of technologies such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, and a collision mitigation braking system, all managed by a front and rear radar-based sensor network. Additionally, the hill start assist and reverse mode make parking and maneuvering this large machine much less intimidating. Another significant update is the inclusion of Honda's Smart Tire Pressure Management System, STPMS, which not only monitors tire pressure in real time, but also alerts the rider of sudden changes and temperature-induced inflation losses. This makes long trips safer and extends tire life by ensuring consistent performance. The ride ergonomics have been fine-tuned with repositioned handlebars and foot control that reduce shoulder strain. The GCT also debuts a new floating windscreen with memory positioning and automatic height adjustment based on speed. This adaptive screen significantly reduces wind buffeting while allowing excellent visibility in all conditions. In terms of fuel economy, the new Goldwing GCT sips fuel more conservatively thanks to updated fuel injection maps and engine management. Riders can expect an average of 43-45 mMat/pg, which is remarkable for a motorcycle of this size and weight. The fuel tank remains at 7.1 gallons, offering a real-world range that comfortably exceeds 300 miles, perfect for true touring. Technological additions include a refined GPS-linked semi-autonomous riding assist system. While it doesn't offer full autopilot functionality, the system provides helpful alerts for upcoming curves, potential hazards, and even weather updates via cloud connectivity. The Comfort Cruise AI is designed to maintain a smoother ride in traffic, applying slight braking or throttle inputs to reduce jerkiness during congested conditions. The build quality of the 2026 Goldwing GCT is second to none. Every bolt, every panel gap, every switch feels premium and intentional. Honda continues to manufacture the Goldwing in its Kumamoto factory in Japan, a facility known for its attention to detail and rigorous quality control. Priced starting at around $29,999 USD, the 2026 Goldwing GCT is not cheap, but it doesn't pretend to be. It's built for serious riders who want the best in luxury, reliability, and long-haul capability. For those seeking a motorcycle that blurs the line between grand touring and luxury automotive comfort, the GCT is in a league of its own. Whether you're planning to ride coast to coast, cross continents, or just want a taste of the finest two-wheeled engineering Honda has to offer, the 2026 Goldwing GCT will elevate your expectations. It's not merely a bike, it's a lifestyle statement. Bold, confident, refined, and endlessly capable. In summary, the 2026 Honda Goldwing GCT represents the pinnacle of touring motorcycle engineering. It's powerful, poised, and dripping with premium features, from smart safety tech to comfort amenities, from aggressive road manners to pillow-like cruising. This bike turns every journey into an experience worth remembering. If you've been waiting for the ultimate long-distance machine, your wait is over.